Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Dark and Darker game on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to the store page, and in search the store search for Dark and Darker, and here you will see Dark and Darker free game. So click on this Dark and Darker game, scroll down, and here you can see Play Dark and Darker free to play. So click on play game button, and here you can see Dark and Darker, and the file size is 18.06 GB. So click on install, read the EULA terms and condition, and then click on accept. Then go to the library, and here you can see Dark and Darker game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can also download Dark and Darker game for free on PC via Steam launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.